87th birth anniversary of Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahib. This day is celebrated as Founders Day in honor and memory of late Baba-e-Talim Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahib, founder, Alamein movement. Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahib was a great visionary, a great philanthropist and a social reformer. इल्म की शमा हुई है रोशन, इल्म की शमा हुई है रोशन, महकाया है कौम का आंगन, आपके दम से खिल उठे हैं मुल्क भर में तालीम से जीवन. Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan sir was a trustee, chairman, honorary secretary or president of nearly 175 educational institutions. All these were founded by him and the society in and around Bangalore. Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahib has left a rich legacy of social service, and he inspired several generations of youth to work tirelessly to promote modern education among Muslims, even while caring for moral and religious ethos. Education that teaches modern skills and civilized behavior can alone be the route to salvation. His aims were to eradicate poverty and illiteracy and to educate children irrespective of caste and creed, to educate and create awareness among the children to earn legal bread, to serve the nation and the humanity at large. And his concept of educationist is believe in divine guidance, have enormous patience, have continuous resolve, be constant in his work, be an optimist and ignore non-constructive opposition. I take this opportunity to salute this great man for his great deeds. Now, I take the pleasure of welcoming galaxy of individuals, intellectuals, invited guests, teachers and my friends. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Amidst us, we have an inspiring personality, Mr. Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah. Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah, winner of Military Award of India, that is PVSM, Param Vishishta Seva Medal, SM, that is Sena Medal, is awarded members of the Indian Army of all ranks. For such individuals, acts of exceptional devotion to duty or courage as have special significance for the Army. VSM, that is Vishishta Seva Medal, is a decoration of the Indian Armed Forces. It is awarded to recognize distinguished service of a high order to all ranks of the Indian Armed Forces. He is retired Senior General of the Indian Army. He last served as the Deputy Chief of Army Staff, Personnel and Systems, Indian Army. After retirement, he served for some time as an administrative member on the bench of the Armed Forces Tribunal. He was the Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, Pros Chancellor, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, and he is the brother of noted Indian actor Naseeruddin Shah. He has attended the Traditional Defence Academy in Khadakwasla. He was commissioned with the 185 Light Regiment, Camel Pack on 9th June 1968. He is also commanded 170 Medium Regiment, Veer Rajputs. Shah was later the colonial commandant of the Regiment of Artillery. He was also the Indian military attaché to Saudi Arabia. He had led the army during the Gujarat riots of 2002. Next, I feel privileged to welcome Zamiruddin Shah to this program, who has consented to be the chief guest. I request Umar Ismail Khan Sahib, Chairman, to honor our chief guest, Zamiruddin Shah Sahib. Affairs, Government of India, and former Deputy Chairman, Rajya Sabha. Dr. K. Rahman Khan Sahib is a veteran politician belonging to Indian National Congress. He has been an active participant in the conferences convened by CPA and Inter-Parliamentary Union, a body of legislatures of 140 countries that is a forum of interaction with parliamentarians and world leaders for exchange of mutual thoughts and experience. He was elected as honorary internal auditor of the IPU at its 115th Assembly, Geneva, for the period May 2008 to May 2009. लीडर का ताल्लुक किसी भी जमात से हो, लीडर का ताल्लुक किसी भी जमात से हो, उसका चाहे कोई भी नारा हो, जिसने अवाम के दिल में घर कर लिया, वो अवाम की अमानत है, उसके फेल का असर पूरी कौम पर होता है, लिहाजा वो आम नहीं. Through his association with Alamein Educational Society, Bangalore, Shri Rahman Khan Sahib succeeded in setting setting up new standards of higher education for the minorities and elected community at large, and inspired them to build and promote education institutions for themselves on similar pattern during last 150 years. 50 years. He pioneered to establish a medical college at Bijapur under the management of Alami Charitable Trust, which has over the years produced thousands of doctors from across the country belonging to minority community. As chairman of KK's Educational and Charitable Trust, improving education through his various schools in the name of Delhi Public School and School of India across Karnataka, and he has set new standards of imparting modern education, emphasizing overall development of a child. Through his initiative of Anubhav Shiksha Kendra, Sri Rahman Khan Sahib provides free education to hundreds of the poor children living in slum areas. In the same international standard school campuses and extends free transport facility to preschool. KK city also provides educators scholarships. He is crusader for protection of development of Waqf in India. He served as a member of Central Waqf Council twice and as a member of Central Waqf Council. As a member and chairman of Hajj Goodwill Delegates of Government of India to Saudi Arabia on several occasions, and after visiting Tabung Haji of Malaysia during his tenure as Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha as a Minister of Minority Affairs, he undertook in-depth study on Hajj pilgrimage arrangements and submitted a report to the Prime Minister to revamp the Hajj management in India to free Hajj pilgrims from any exploitation. Hats off to you, sir. He was the first Muslim chartered accountant from the state of Karnataka, a veteran of the profession who has served as the chairman of Bangalore branch of Institutions of Chartered Accountant of India and later elected as the treasurer of Southern India Regional Council. He has been associated with ICAI as director of the Accounting Research Foundation for over a decade. He is not only a renowned politician and a chartered accountant, he is also a great journalist. He has rendered commendable services in the field of journalism and was instrumental in modernizing Urdu journalism by introducing newer printing technologies as co-owner and editor of Daily Sama and Urdu Daily in 1978, and took the Urdu journalism to a great heights. He has also established first evening English daily newspaper Southern Speaker, which was published from Bengaluru. He was also promoter and chief editor of Tarjuman-e-Junaid Urdu Weekly, where he has contributed regular columns on vital issues on minority education and their empowerment. He has been honored with the CA Life Member Time Achiever by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in 2018 for his contribution to the profession and the institute. He is the recipient of honorary PhD degree from the Integral University, Lucknow, for his continuous efforts in creating social cohesion within the society. He has been honored with Sahakari Ratna Award for excellence in promotion of cooperatives by Government of Karnataka and Tipu Sultan Award for promotion of education. I feel extremely delighted and proud to welcome such eminent personality to this program, sir. I request Ahmad Sharif Siraj Sahib, Vice Chairman AES, to honor Rahman Khan Sahib, which runs Gausia College of Engineering, Ramanagaram, Gausia Industrial Training Institutions, Hosur Road, Bangalore, Gausia Polytechnic for Women, Hosur Road, Bangalore, and is a life member, Karnataka State Cricket Association, Chairman, Minority Advising Committee, Helpline, Karnataka Minority Development Corporation, Government of India. अच्छे लीडर के आसान पहचान ये है कि वो सादिक और अमीन होता है, उसके कौल और फेल में तासर नहीं होता. I feel proud to welcome you, sir. I request Dr. K. Rahman Khan Sahib to honor Umar sir. If they are determined to do so, I feel glad to welcome Dr. Ahmad Sharif Siraj, Vice Chairman, AES, Chairman, Gausia Industrial and Engineering Trust. And Amjad Hussain Hafiz Karnataki, I think sir has not come. Mr. Zubair Anwar Said Sahib, Honorary Secretary, AES. Zubair Sahib is the grandson of late Janab Noor Muhammad Dawood Said Sahib, who was a very close associate of Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahib. And he is the Honorary Secretary, Alamini Residential School Trust, Hoskote, and Vice Chairman, Alamini Scholarship Trust, and is a great businessman by profession. And I welcome also Iqbal Ahmed Bey, Honorary Treasurer, AAES, and Syed Ahmed, Joint Secretary, AAES. Preach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. Now I request the Chairman, Umar Ismail Khan Sahib, to welcome all the EC members symbolically with a rose. Now I request Zubair sir to announce the names. Please. Rahim from Kerala, who is a close associate of Dr. Sahib. And I also welcome Kalimun Hafiz from Delhi, Haji Gafar Saab, MD, SJ Group of Companies, Kari Muhammad Sadiq Khasmi Gangohi, who just now presented the Tilak. The teacher who indeed writes does not bid for you to enter the house of his wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your mind. I feel delighted to welcome all the principals, vice principals, faculty members. Creativity is especially expressed in the ability to make connections, to make associations, to turn things around and express them in a new way. I welcome non-teaching staff, media and NCC students who have made this program a very good grand success with their great presence. रब से मेरी ये इल्तिजा है, रब से मेरी ये इल्तिजा है, दिल की गहराइयों से दुआ है, काम के आगे बढ़े हमेशा, काम के आगे बढ़े हमेशा, इल्म की लहरें चले हमेशा, आपके जानशीन को हौसला अता फरमाए, बाबाई तालीम अल्लाह आपको इसका अजर अता फरमाए. Thank you.